I'm going to show you how you can turn your life around. Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Jesse. I live in Oregon. This YouTube channel is more than a decade old and it has 27 subscribers. I love you guys. I am relaunching my YouTube channel with the intent of showcasing how I turned my life around. I have not yet turned my life around. This is my plan. I am going to turn my life around, and as I turn my life around, I'm going to show you, hopefully, how you can turn your life around too. So this is a project we are going to work on together. You and I are going to turn our lives around. I will show you step by step what I go through, what I have to do in order to do that, and I hope it will be helpful and entertaining for you. We will laugh together, we will cry together, and in the end, we will succeed together. All the best to you. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.